Guys, now I will walk maybe 10 kilometers or 11 kilometers. This is road, I will walk. I always walk in this place. It's nice place, very good. And one round about 11 kilometers. Park. Sometimes we eat here. Same with guys. They bought foods and can sit here. It's good place. Now 5:20. Georgi already walk in Walking Street, but I'm walk here. Usually I not take camera because I faster walk. Also CR. This time noisy because so many cars go in the road. Because these people going to the home. Sunset. This is Clark Hills. Who want to live comfortable, I think is better place. Little bit far, but who use car or motor, okay, no problem. During COVID time, this parking is full because inside it's a COVID hotel before. Who go to the Philippines, they stay here. Who don't have vaccination, they stay 2 weeks, and many cars park. This is bus station. Free ride. So not need to pay. Here inside also NBI. Yes, inside is so many offices. Excuse me, this is NBI and customs also here. Here, okay, thank you very much. Yeah, NBI and customs also. You can see this. Phil Health also. Yeah, you can see NBI. You can see people walk. Maybe long time don't have bus. That's why workers going to home and walk. Or maybe they go to the bus station. This is already a golf. You can see who tired can sit here. Weekend, so many riders here. Also can sit here have a bench. If have rain, it's full of water. $600 to Clark Safari, and left side you can see also townhouses. Before so many Chinese people, I seen so many, and they celebrate now. As you can see, don't have cars available for rent. So many. And left side also Aurora Villas cabin resort, but we turn right, and you can see so clean here always. Even rain, it's good for walk in this place. We already near ex Fontana KTV. Before you can see Fontana Park. Before is Chinese KTV, Fontana KTV, very popular before. Well, aircon working, so security inside. Two aircon working. People jogging here because it's a good place. This is Fontana casino inside. Also have restaurants, townhouses also, swimming pool. I already filming before. My old video you can see. It's free entrance. Before so many Chinese people live inside. Now I don't know. Good evening. They sell. You sell this one? How much ball?
300, 500.
Okay, thank you. Good luck.
Thank you.
And also Midori GTV have and Midori Casino. This is Midori Casino. Oh, I will go to another side. Мидори казино. О, чайный скар, джеттор. Хотел казино also. Ресторан, Chinese ресторан. Don't have people. 1, 2, 3. Three people only. It's mini park. Okay, I will go to another side first. Hello, hello, hello.
You wanna buy some lemon? Wanna buy some lemon?
We already take video before here. This is Punto Place in Clark. You can see daytime. Before I filming nighttime. Have massage. Korean ресторан. Kimbap. This is Punta Hotel. Main entrance. Gas station, also steakhouse have where deli. Okay, we can walk. Taxi driver parking because many people go to casino. Oh, diesel so expensive here. 61.10. In Mabalacat 51. This is Vidus Hotel and Casino.
Ate, pag uulan, punta ka sa Krano.
I already finished walking. Now about 7 o'clock. I walk maybe 11 kilometers, 10-11 kilometers.